Can you imagine being in a zombie apocalypse and you can make turkey tacos? Because that's where I'm going with this. Hey everybody, I'm Chef Dad, and this is my Apocalypse Turkey Tacos, brought to us by Keystone Meats. There's gonna be a lot of cuts in this, Anna. I don't know what to tell you. There's two cameras, one, two. September is National Preparedness Month, and canned food. What better way to be prepared, especially canned meat? This is Keystone Meats Turkey. Keystone Meats, 2 ingredients. There's turkey and sea salt in here. This is available nationwide, but you can go to keystonemeats.com and look at the variety of things that they have. They have all sorts of different canned meats, beef, pork, chicken, turkey, and ground beef. They make broths. You can see right here. All this is available in this apocalypse. We've got this much Cholula left. It is September. There's no more onions growing, so we've only got stockpile of onions that we've got down in our underground bunker. We've got lettuce that we grew. It's gonna go bad really fast because lettuce ain't gonna last. Got tomatoes. You could grow tomatoes year round. All you need is a good power source. Generator. We're talking the apocalypse. You should have all this stuff, but one thing you should have is your canned meat. And if you're not gonna can it on your own, which you should watch my other video on how to can fish, get it from Keystone Meats. Sour cream, simple to make, but we bought it because before the store shut down for this apocalypse. Chef Dad smoked salt, when it's available, you're gonna need to go out and stockpile it because it's good for not only curing stuff, but just making all your meals better. Cheese, we'll get to that in another time on how to make cheese. But this video is about the apocalypse turkey tacos. So we can't open this can and just eat it. It is fully cooked. So if the zombies were coming and we needed a snack before we start going against our arsenal, getting our arsenal and going against these guys or falling back into our bunker, we could just open the can and eat it. It's fully cooked. This is all white meat. 97% fat-free. No preservatives. Gluten-free. There's no gluten in turkey. I don't know if you knew that. There's 28 ounces in this can. Let me flip it over. There's 28. There's 2 ounces to a serving. There's 14 per container, 70 calories. And there's 14 grams of protein in here per serving. Okay, so we're just gonna crank this, dump. Oh, we don't want it to be super wet because we're gonna fry them and then poof, explode. Okay. So there's the turkey meat. So let's get a bite of this meat just out of the can. Yeah. This has a little bit of turkey flavor, and that's about it. And it is dry. That's a good thing. Not picking on you. You know the turkey that's made for Thanksgiving, and it sits in the fridge, and you get it the next day, and you try to take a bite of it, and it kind of like, it's so dry. Yeah. It's kind of what we're working with here. We're going to go in with Chef Dad smoked salt, mash this up. I don't want to break it up completely. I just want to break it into these so that it's like strandy, because we're going to put these in tortilla shells. Okay, yeah, I mean, just that amount of salt extremely amplified the flavor of that turkey. And it's got a smoky quality now, so that's perfect. This is super easy. We didn't have to cook a turkey. We didn't have to boil turkey breast. We didn't have to do anything. This is ready to start making tacos. You don't want your oil to get too hot, but you need it to be hot enough to fry. Probably around 350. Don't want it too hot, because you want that turkey in the middle to get nice and hot and start frying. But you don't want your tortillas to get overdone. I like using white corn tortillas because I like them to be a nice corn color. I don't know, what color am I looking for? We're just gonna lay out some tortillas. There's 2 ways of thought about this. You could pack a whole bunch of turkey in there, and then the center is gonna be kind of like soft and gooey, or you can do a thin layer of turkey, and it's gonna be nice crunchy all the way through. I like it that way. Do it however you want. So we're just gonna go on with some turkey. And remember, this can be hot and pop. Okay, so you can see those bubbles coming off of it. It's nice and hot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold it here for just a second and turn that heat down just a little bit. So I'm holding it so that it gets a little bit of a base layer on there. And I'm gonna flip that so that one side goes in the oil. And then I'm gonna throw that end over. Then I'm gonna grab another taco. They're not tacos yet. Are they tacos yet? Leave it in the comments down below. Are they tacos yet? I'll make sure we get that in the oil. Nice flop over. So one other thing you need is tongs. Get a good quality set of tongs, not those cheap. Well, these are pretty cheap. Not the plastic ended ones. Let's take a look at our tortilla here. And look at that beautiful color. That's the color we're looking for. See that color right there? That's the color. And you can flip them over more than once. It's not going to hurt anything. You can flip them over twice, 3 times, 5 times. So we're getting this nice, beautiful color here. They're not overcooked. We don't want them to be dark. See, that one doesn't have enough color on that side. And if you get any of these little pieces like this, you can just take them and you can toss them right over in here. Let them cool off a little bit and you got a chef snack. That's good. Drip out as much oil as you can, and we're just going to set it right over here in a paper towel. That way the rest of that oil just kind of drains out of it. I'm going to get all the rest of these tacos fried up. We'll bring it back when it's time to assemble and give it a try. Time to assemble. As you can see, these are beautiful tacos. So we're going to add a little bit of this nice cheese. I keep breathing through my nose, I'm sorry. Nose breather. Apocalypse homemade cheese. We're going to go in with a few onions, a few tomatoes, and before the lettuce, I'm going to go in with some of this Cholula because that's what I want. A little bit of sour cream, and then I'll cap it off with the lettuce. My Apocalypse turkey tacos. I wanted to make a zombie movie, and this is the only opportunity I've gotten so far. When you're running from the zombies, you need a hearty meal because in this apocalypse, the zombies are fast. They're not slow zombies, but you still got to worry about the hordes, and you got to be able to fight them off. So there's lots of things you could do. You could just eat whatever comes out of the can, or you can make a nice meal. I want it to be a zombie apocalypse. Let's give it a try. Listen. Oh, good. The turkey meat from Keystone Meats is great. It made a great taco. I made a great taco. It made a great filling for the taco. This meal probably could have had this done in 10 minutes. Let's just say this is a 15-minute meal. But again, this is September, and it is National Preparedness Month, and you should be prepared. Have your pantry full. So go check out Keystone Meats. You did pick that video for you. I picked that video for you. That is the subscription button. Push it. Send it to your grandma. Type this video. Push the hype button. But make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks, everybody.